What's your take on men endorsing fairness creams?
I think it's a bit sort of. I think it's a good question. Finally, I think it's a bit metrosexual. I think men don't need to be fair to look great. I think dark men are extremely handsome, and I mean, I'm sure my track record says that.
नेहा पॉइंट्स के ऐड में आप प्रियंका को मार देते हुए निकल जाते हैं, कितना मेमोरेबल था।
वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात की आपने। I didn't even understand the question. मार देते हुए means okay. Well नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. It's just it's a story, एक love triangle है. It's about two women fighting over one man. And Saif Ali Khan, of course, is someone who's worth fighting over. So हम बस यही कर रहे हैं. We're just following the script. अब आगे देखें होता है क्या.
Coming back to your
production में आप आने में जैसे rumors आने के, ये rumors की
No, these are just rumors. Nothing is fine.
अच्छा, एक इंग्लिश मेल मैगजीन में आप कवर पेज पे आई थी, जिसमें आपने कॉस्ट्यूम किया। आपको लगता है कि लोग आपके फिजिकली अपीयरेंस पे ज़्यादा कैश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
Well, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर मैंने किसी कवर पेज पे स्विमिंग कॉस्ट्यूम पहना है तो I mean I go for a swim every day. I wear a swimming costume every day. So it's not like I'm uncomfortable in it. I'm very comfortable wearing one. So
coming back to your next
sorry. Kill me. Come on.
Coming back to your next big release, Singer's King.
Yeah.
How's the experience working with Katrina and Akshay?
I have worked with Akshay in the past. He just gets better and better with every day of work. He's just superb to work with. Katrina is someone who, I got along with very well on the sets. She looks really good. And, it was very good working with both of them, Akshay and Katrina. I think the chemistry both on and off screen has been wonderful. And even the entire gang, and Vipul Shah is the producer, Anis Bazmi is the director, and all the people who are in the film were also wonderful.
You seem to be the favorite of Rajat Kapoor for some reason. He's taken you back to back in 2 movies. What's the equation with Rajat like? How is he as a film?
He's great. We're also very, very dear friends. I wasn't too sure if I could really make friends in the industry, but I ended up making a lot of friends after many, many years. And I think Rajat is a wonderful human being, and I hope I keep getting the opportunity of working with him over and over again.
नेहा, अगर पॉइंट्स के ऐड की बात की जाए तो अगर प्रियंका की जगह आप होती तो आप किस तरह से आइडिया लगाती?
आइडिया लगाती?
जी।
मुझे भी अगर if I'm endorsing the brand, मैं भी यही बोलती कि मैं क्रीम लगा कर ही आइडिया लगाती.
When do we get to see you in a full-fledged as a lead, main lead?
Well, all my upcoming films, of course, in Singer's King, I'm experimenting and I'm doing something different. Where we're trying to do, making it look really negative initially, and then how things change for these people. But all my other films, they're all roles that are like what I'm assuming what you mean, because nowadays, times have changed. So there's not that one girl, one boy story. Even if you look at romantic films, it has 6 people or 7 people. But if you're talking about being the central character, I think all my other films are things scripts which are sort of very dear to me, along with Singer's King, of course.
I'm 24, you're paired opposite Ranveer Shori, so it looks quite a weird combination. How did all that happen?
It's not a weird combination. I think it's been accepted once in the past with Mithya, and I thought it was a wonderful film where everybody really liked the film. And I'm 24 is yet another film where I'm with Ranveer, and I think with the characters that we're playing, बहुत ही अच्छी तरह it's been sort of it's fallen really well into the film.
Yeah, talking about Singer's King, क्या ये सही है कि फिल्म में आपका नाम जो है कैरेक्टर का वो जूली है?
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल सही है कि मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम जूली है. इनफैक्ट ये भी सही है कि मुझे हमारे डायरेक्टर जो हैं अनीस बाज़मी, उन्होंने कहा था कि योर कैरेक्टर्स नेम विल बी रोजी, एंड आई वाज लाइक, इफ यू हैव टू मेक इट साउंड सो सिली, let's give the character a name called Julie, because this is something that everybody relates to, and it was my idea to sort of make fun of my own name.